Hey, what's up guys? One more. Now we're here with a Volkswagen. They just gave us a call because they have a problem with the ignition. So we are going to work around that. Pretty cool car. They always have this problem. This one is Tiguan 09. So yeah, we're gonna work on this ignition. The problem is the key is not turning. So yeah, let's work around it. And we're gonna pray this out very carefully. What I like to do, find this place where there's a hole in between, or just bring it down from here. That it's when you realize that. And that's the main problem now. That screw over there. It's gonna make everything hotter. So we need to try to find a way to turn the ignition to on first before start to work on the entire steering column. And so, we're gonna use this puncher to take this baby out. Alright, so now with the key in unlock position, we're gonna try to take this baby out. It might be kind of stuck. Yes, we can. Let's see. That's a problem. Might be. But yeah, this is how it looks. The module when you take it off. It's a little bit tricky, not gonna lie. Yes. Just a tap. So now, since we have it on the bench, we are going to move things around, and we're going to try to make this guy to work again with a very small drill bit. We're going to drill right here. Boom.